8-year-old Gabi Mann had always been fascinated by the black birds that visited her backyard. Every morning, she would scatter breadcrumbs and leftover food across the grass for the neighborhood crows. But one autumn morning, something extraordinary appeared on her family's front porch. A small, perfectly round button lay precisely where no button should be. Her mother dismissed it as neighborhood debris blown by the wind. But the next day, a shiny bottle cap appeared in the exact same spot. Then came a small piece of colored glass, polished smooth by time. Each morning brought a new treasure, always placed with deliberate precision. Gabi began to notice something her family had missed entirely. The gifts only appeared after her morning feeding ritual in the backyard. Never before. Never on days she forgot to feed the crows. Always within hours of sharing her breakfast with the black-winged visitors. What Gabi had discovered would challenge everything science thought it knew about animal behavior. If you're finding value in this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Intrigued by the mysterious gifts, Gabi made a decision that would change everything. She began deliberately filling her backyard with food, peanuts scattered across the grass like tiny treasures. The crows noticed immediately. Their sharp eyes missed nothing. Among the flock, one crow stood out, bolder than the rest. While others kept their distance, this crow dared to venture closer to the house. Day after day, Gabi established her routine. Same time, same place. The bold crow began to anticipate her arrival. Every morning at 7:30 he would be there, waiting. What started as curiosity was becoming something deeper, something unprecedented. The crow would cock his head, studying Gabi with those penetrating dark eyes. Gabi began talking to him, soft words of greeting each morning. The crow would respond with subtle head movements, as if he understood. Week by week, the distance between them shrank. An impossible friendship was taking root between two completely different worlds. As we discussed, the gifts had already begun. But what happened next would transform everything Gabi thought she knew about crow intelligence. The crow's offerings became more deliberate, more precious, more intentional. One morning, Gabi discovered something extraordinary on her windowsill. A small, silver earring, perfectly polished. Days later, a tiny heart-shaped charm appeared. The symbolism was impossible to ignore. Then came the beads. Not random plastic scraps, but carefully selected colorful gems. Each gift seemed more thoughtful than the last, as if the crow was studying her preferences. Gabi began to realize these weren't random objects. They were carefully curated selections. The crow had somehow learned what humans find beautiful, what Gabi might treasure. She started documenting every single offering, creating a catalog of their impossible friendship. Each gift was photographed, measured, and carefully stored in a special box. What had started as curiosity was becoming something deeper, a documented miracle. The crow wasn't just bringing gifts anymore, it was communicating through objects. But the true test of this extraordinary bond was yet to come, and it would change everything. But what we've witnessed isn't just heartwarming. It's groundbreaking science in action. Crows possess brains that rival the intelligence of a 7-year-old human child. They're among only 4 species on Earth capable of creating and using tools. In laboratories, they've solved 8-step puzzles that stump most other animals. Their gift-giving behavior demonstrates what scientists call delayed gratification, planning for future rewards. But their memory capabilities are what truly astound researchers worldwide. Crows can remember human faces for over 25 years. They pass this facial recognition down through generations, teaching their young who to trust. In Seattle, researchers wearing masks found themselves hunted by crow families for 15 years. The crows had branded them as threats and never forgot. What makes our girls' relationship special isn't the gifts themselves. It's that this crow chose to express gratitude in the most complex way possible. Pure intelligence, recognizing pure kindness. But the most extraordinary test of their bond was yet to come. One autumn afternoon, disaster struck the Mann family. Gabi's mother was photographing birds in their yard when her expensive camera lens cap vanished. The small black plastic cap had simply disappeared into thin air. The entire family joined the search, scouring every inch of their property. They checked under bushes, behind flower pots, along the fence line. Hours passed. The lens cap seemed to have vanished forever. Unknown to them, a pair of keen black eyes had witnessed everything. The next morning, Gabi approached their feeding station as usual. But this time, something extraordinary waited for her. There, placed carefully among the scattered peanuts, was her mother's missing lens cap. The crow had not only found the lost item, but delivered it as a gift. This wasn't random chance. This was deliberate protection. Their feathered friend had become their guardian, watching over them with unwavering loyalty. 8 years later, their bond had become something extraordinary. What started as simple feeding had evolved into the most documented interspecies friendship in modern history. The collection of gifts had grown beyond anything anyone could have imagined. When the story went public, it captured hearts across the globe. Millions of people around the world were inspired by this unlikely friendship. Scientists from universities across the country began studying their unique relationship. This wasn't just a feel-good story anymore. It was groundbreaking research. Gabi's story provided concrete evidence that animals are capable of genuine gratitude, more than gratitude. These creatures could experience and express love. The scientific community had to reconsider everything they thought they knew about animal emotions. Gabi had unknowingly opened a door to understanding the depth of animal consciousness. Her simple act of kindness had rewritten our understanding of interspecies relationships. Today, their friendship continues to inspire researchers, animal lovers, and anyone who believes in the power of compassion. Sometimes the most profound discoveries come from the simplest acts of love. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button and subscribe for more.